Hello everyone, welcome to our reading session. Today we are going to read Dr. Seuss Dinosaurs. I am the cat in the hat and I like to have fun. These are my good friends. Thing 2 and Thing 1. Come with us to the past to watch dinosaurs roam back when they ruled the earth. When we are done, we will fly home. Dinosaurs are prehistoric reptiles. It's sure hot in this forest, kind of wet like a swamp. Shh! Do you hear that? It's a dinosaur storm. Most dinosaurs lived in warm, wet places where there were lot of plants. She is an Alamosaurus. Do you see the Alamosaurus? See how big they grow. She is as long as three school buses parked in a row. Look at the picture. She is as long as the school buses, three school buses in a row. These giants travel together in herds. Do you see the next dinosaur? What is it? It is called Decaturaptor. Decaturaptor has feathers, fast legs, and sharp claws. Other dinosaurs ran from his powerful jaws. These speedy hunters were so heavy their small wings couldn't lift them up to fly. Do you see this one? What dinosaur is this? It is Ankylosaurus. Ankylosaurus has hammer while you feed him that snack. I'll examine his spikes and those plates on his back. Look at that. He is examining his spikes. What is this dinosaur? Do you see the three horns? What is this dinosaur? It's a triceratops. A triceratops, right? That sounds great. What a thrill. You two sit on her horns. I'll sit here on her frill. Triceratops' horns were covered with keratin, the same material in your fingernails. That's an interesting fact. Next is, wow, what dinosaur is this? Oh, the name looks little bit difficult. It says Quetzalcoatlus. It's a pterosaur, a giant reptile that flies. Look at that, it flies. Do you see the dinosaur that flies? These dinosaur cousins had hollow bones like birds. Watch her stretch her long neck. Do you see? As she glides through the skies. See, she's flying up in the sky. Yeah. Next dinosaur. Do you see the dinosaur which is having a weird kind of, maybe a crown kind of head? The skull of Pachycephalosaurus has a thick dome and crown. Do you think that these boneheads want to push each other down like this? We don't know if these dinosaurs use their bony heads as weapons or to look scary or for both. We don't know that. Wow. Next dinosaur. This looks so interesting. It called Edmontosaurus has scales and a wide duckbill beak. This dinosaur had the most teeth of any known dinosaur, over 1,000 in its jaw at one time. Look at that, it has 1,000 teeth. Do you even think about it? The next one, who is that? I think it's a T Rex. If a T Rex showed up, he would take off like a streak. Look at that. Who is this dinosaur? It's a Tyrannosaurus Rex. See her razor sharp grin. Look at that. Woohoo! Here she comes. Quick things. Climb on in. Home at last from the past. With the new facts, we know all about dinosaurs that lived long, long ago. Not all dinosaurs are extinct. Modern birds are kind of dinosaur. Do you know that? Yeah, that's so interesting. Thank you for the reading session today. Bye bye. See you next time.